nakachamba lang sa Phoenix Suns. Yan ang rant ng isang Pinoy basketball fan matapos matambakan ng mahigit 20 ang Adelaide 36ers sa first half pa lamang kontra sa Tasmania Jack Jumpers. Mukhang hindi pa umiinit ang pambatong trio ni Coach CJ Bruton na kinabibilangan ng mga import. Kagaya nga itong tres ni Randall na nagtayuan pa ang bench. Pero malamig talaga, pati ang owner ng Adelaide 36ers ay napailing at dismayado. Gayon din si Coach CJ Bruton. Napakahalaga nga naman ng decision making kung magkanya-kanya nga naman. At sabi pa ng isang fan ay mahihirapan nga silang manalo. Pero syempre hindi lang management ang dismayado, gayon din ng mga Pinoy basketball fans. Kasi binabangko ang inaabangan ng lahat. Maging ang mga commentators ay nagtatanong bakit hindi ipasok si Kai Sotto.
Why haven't we seen Kai Sotto at any point?
Look, I think it's a tough one because your rotations are obviously a little shorter sometimes. Pre-season's a little different to when you actually start your season.
Ayun nga mga bro, sabi ng isang commentator na minsan talaga ay maliliit ang nasa rotation. Pero sila ay umaasa na ipapasok ang ating kababayan pagdating ng second half. Pero yun na nga, natupad ang kahilingan ng lahat at pinasok si Kai Sotto sa late part ng third quarter. At natuwa ang lahat.
Called for a good shot. Here's your man.
Sotto, Filipino, 218 centimeters.
Pero sa post-game interview ni Coach CJ Bruton, siya raw ay nagsisisi na hindi niya agad na ipasok si Kai Sotto.
Yeah, I thought, well, at this game and the way the pace was going, when it got out of hand, they were playing small, trying to combat their level of play where they were at, and then was it gonna at either level was gonna be which way we go. Kai went out there and played. I thought he did a good job. Probably should have played him a lot earlier. Again, my fault. I'll take that on the chin, and I'll speak to him about that later. But his presence is good, and we need that as the season goes on.
Here with the 36ers, the Jack Jumpers about to celebrate back-to-back wins. There's a late highlight from Sotto.
Well, naging malamig ang simula ng Adelaide 36ers. Panalo ang Jack Jumpers sa score na 97-72. Nakapagtala si Kai ng 4 points, 3 rebounds at 5 minuto lamang ang kanyang playing time ngayong laban. Makabawi kaya ang 36ers? Ating abangan sa next game.